How to fix login not available right now on WhatsApp iPhone. Encountering the login not available right now error on WhatsApp for iPhone can be frustrating. So here are some steps to help resolve this issue. So let's get started. First of all, the best method is to check the internet connection. A stable internet connection is crucial. All you have to do is slide down the control panel from the top right corner of your screen for the newer version of iOS, and for the older version swipe up from the bottom. Now here try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data if the issue persists. Also, if you are using a VPN, disable it as it may interfere with WhatsApp connectivity. Now, once checked so, go back to the home screen on your iPhone. Once on your home screen, look for the App Store and simply tap on it. Now, once inside the App Store, simply type down WhatsApp and hit enter. Now, if you see update option available there, then simply update it to the latest version. Ensure you are using the latest version. Now, if the issue persists, then try deleting the WhatsApp app and reinstalling it. After you delete it, go to the App Store and download WhatsApp from the App Store and set it up again. But if this problem persists even after all these fixes, then simply tap on any web browser on your iPhone. So here I am in Safari. Now in search address bar, type down the WhatsApp support and hit enter. Once you type down the WhatsApp support, simply press on the WhatsApp support option available at the top. And once done so, simply tap on the WhatsApp Messenger Contact Us option available there. Now scroll down and enter your information and the problem you are facing. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.